Today we're making golden, crispy, fluffy French toast, the breakfast classic that feels fancy, but is actually super easy. Ingredients are listed in the description. Ingredients for slices of bread, to eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, 1 teaspoon cinnamon optional, butter for cooking, syrup or powdered sugar for serving. Step 1. Make the egg mixture. In a shallow bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, vanilla, and cinnamon. Think of it as a breakfast bath for your bread. Step 2. Dip the bread. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the mixture, coating both sides. Don't let it drown, just a quick dip does the trick. Step 3. Cook it up. Melt a little butter in a skillet over medium heat. Place the soaked bread in the pan and cook 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden brown and crispy. Step for a serve. Stack them up, drizzle with syrup, sprinkle with powdered sugar, or add fruit on top. However you dress it, French toast always looks good. And that's it, a homemade French toast that's easy, fluffy, and perfect for breakfast. Ingredients are in the description, so grab your bread and get cooking.